What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rich. A little vlog type of thing. I'm gonna be outside swapping my wheels and stuff out with the TSX because I need to check something out with the shaking in the front. So I'm gonna roll out of that, see if it's a bent rim because I have one side that's bent and that's the side that's shaking. I'm gonna do that. Got some big news, more big news. We're gonna start pretty soon supplying our own clothes and stickers and things like that. I'm gonna show you what just came in. We did some test cuts. So we got this Cameo 4. Don't mind the mess right now, guys, but you guys get the idea of what we're gonna be doing. I am waiting on the heat press too, so for the clothing and whatnot. We got some test shirts right here. Let me know if you guys are gonna be wanting some clothing, some stickers or whatever. Let me know what you guys want, what kind of custom TSX stuff you guys want, because that's what I want to try to do. She's editing up right now. We got a little office space and whatnot. Big things coming, guys. Big things. Let me know what you guys want to see, what kind of designs, what kind of stickers. We went on a walk. Now she's all tired sitting in the sun, right, Bubba's? Alright guys, so why I wanted to swap it out, as you can tell right there, it's like whole gash right here. So what I'm thinking, because this side's like shaking on me, what I'm thinking is it may just be the bent wheel, could be just messing me up a bit. But if it's not that, then I'm assuming it's gonna be the axle or like the half shaft or something, but more so the axle. I got all the wheels swapped around. It is getting kind of hot. I should take off this sweater, which I'm about to. Black and sun don't work too well with clothing, cause yeah, shit makes you burn up even more. I'm just about to adjust my clutch real quick and see if that's gonna help shifting. And yeah, just enjoy the day. Alright, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Rich. Thank you guys for 1650 subscribers. It means a lot. We're growing daily. Got a lot of parts coming in. Got my headers that came in, ball joints, mufflers. I'm waiting on my exhaust piping. So all that's coming because I'm trying to do that at once. And then I'm waiting for clutch master cylinder, braided line, and slave. Inform you guys when that video comes. Right now I'm just kind of doing little things. I was supposed to do my oil change. I got everything but the fucking oil. I left it at the house. So I'll do that later at the house. I'm at the shop right now. I'm just gonna debadge the TSX, the Acura and the TSX symbols. Looks nice without it. Trying to figure out things to do because no parts to really put on. Drop a thumbs up, guys. We're trying to grow and get monetized and give you guys good content. A lot more better things are coming because I'm waiting on parts. So appreciate you guys for holding it in and supporting everything else. Alright guys, so we're going to be debadging the Acura, and so how you do it, just go to Harbor Freight and get yourself a $16 heat gun. On a hot day, you have this shit in the sun, you get kind of loosish, like it's already, you know, flexing and whatnot. Go get some like plastic type of chisel like thing. I'll just use my finger again. We'll see. Take this thing out. This is pretty fancy for 16 bucks. 16 doll hairs. Then you go plug it in. It's 2 heat settings. That's why I needed a fucking chisel. So clearly, guys, don't do what I did and try to pry it off of one side. Try to get it like a squeegee. Finesse it in there a little bit. I just was a little cloudy minded. Flexed out a bit, but yeah. So watch your heat and don't pry off one side. Do it all, the top half and the bottom half, and you know, pry it off. Do a little bit of heat on that so I could some of that shit off. You could, you know, use your heat gun to get some of the gunk off, but I don't have glue gun on me right now, so if it's not any here, later on I'm gonna grab some, get the rest off with some glue gun or whatnot. So yeah, let's start shooting this one. Like that, you know, this one comes off. So do what I did, not what I started out with the Acura, and snapping shit off, so it's not that hard, guys. Well done. So we'll ride along. Yeah, I'm talking about like the drone. Yeah. So he's gonna make me sad that I didn't get one. Oh, with the prices how they were, I couldn't find a clean enough one, or like non 4+ owners and shit.
For real. This one was hard to find.
So yeah, it's hard to get an S2000, guys, for a decent deal. Never like really driven it like drop top like this, like going up and down. True.
Even if it's a chilly day, you can legit, like, it has like a thing for the top up with the heat on, and it's warm as fuck in here.
Oh yeah,
It's crazy.
fucking hella nice.
TSX up there though.
Definitely the drone is pretty loud.
Yeah, you get the drone, it's just like crazy. It's not bad, you know.
This thing's rip hard.
Got an intake and an exhaust and a clutch.
Stage 1?
Stock clutch
stock
with
clutch,
just
yeah.
ACT pressure plate.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot. You just got that done too.
I'm so sad. It makes me almost swallow, right?
Who wants to buy the TSX, guys?
Intake crossover is insane.
Oh shit. Fucking state trooper just getting off the highway or ripping it. Is he coming or something? Oh, okay. I was like, oh shit.
VTEC kicked in, yo.
Yeah, when the VTEC hit too hard. We are back at the house. I'm about to do an oil change. If anyone has any leads on an OEM power steering pump, that would be great, because I do need one. I've been needing one. I want an OEM one because everyone keeps recommending that over any aftermarket one, because none of them are really too good except like the Cardone or whatever it's called. That's maybe still a possibility, but I'm trying to find a used OEM one. 06 to 08 power steering pump. Let me know. I'll do the oil change, and then I'm gonna do a car wash. Got the goo off the badge area. I buy my brother, he had the wheel. Yeah, I was gonna go buy one, but he had one, so I did that. I'm gonna buy one in the future. I also need to buy a little polishing buffer so I can practice and learn and, you know, just do some stuff. Thing right there. Yeah, it looks good. I like, you know, little details. I wanted to do something since I don't have any really parts to take off and put on. So yeah, I'm just about to do my oil change. Sorry, everything's not exciting. I'm waiting on parts. I'm sorry. I'm so eager and I'm itching to do things. But I hope you guys like that S2000 ride along. Pretty dope. My first time in the S2000. Probably gonna be the title of the video. Yeah, let's do this, guys. Enjoy the rest of the weather. So, got my little setup here. You know. Yeah, I need to do that, and do that, and that, and that, and that. Let me get some parts off my other TSX. I actually have the upgraded rear sway bar. My other TSX though, which I completely forgot about, so I'm gonna end up taking that off. I have new oil plugs that I'm about to put in, because I think this one is like leaking or something, because I keep having a little bit of residue and drips. Alright guys, final steps. I just gotta put the oil in. So that does it. Hope you guys enjoy the videos and stay tuned for more. A lot more exciting things are coming. I was ready to buy some wheels for this car, but everything I wanted was on back order, so I still have to figure it out. Yeah, drop a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. An algorithm helps me grow and have other people view my channel. So if you guys could do that, I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Once we get monetized, you know, big giveaway.